Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, viewers. How are you all, viewers? I hope you all are doing good. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Please be support me like this forever, viewers. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video you will see most amazing and most trending designs of handmade crochet dresses ideas, especially for summer. So this video is very helpful to you. Please, viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these dresses designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope you all love these type of most trending designs of handmade crochet dresses in very cool color combination, beautiful themes. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and most trending designs of handmade crochet dresses. It's very beautiful summer dresses. I hope they will love this beautiful outclass collection. You know, guys, different people have different choices. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most attractive designs of handmade crochet dresses. So viewer, pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful designs for yourself. For more beautiful and outclass look. Thanks, friends, for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet dresses. So if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Viewers, if you want more designs of handmade crochet dresses and for summer and crochet cushions and other, so watch my all the previous videos, because all of my videos on this channel are totally crochet handmade articles and very beautiful and trending articles. Okay viewers, see you soon, take care and Allah Hafiz.